ARISTO sliding system. Door assembly. For the door assembly, we need vertical profiles, a top and a bottom frame. Make marks for holes at a distance of 7.5 mm from the edge at both ends of the profiles. At the bottom end, make a mark for an additional hole at a distance of 41.5 mm. Drill a hole at the marked spot with a diameter of 5.5 mm through both walls of the profile. Then widen the hole with a diameter of 9 mm in the same spot, only through the outer wall of the profile. For panels with a thickness of 4 or 8 mm, it is necessary to use a silicone gasket U-shape. For the assembly of the combined door, we can use middle frames either with a screw or without. Assemble the separate panels with the appropriate middle frames. To add stability, the middle frame can be fixed to the profile with a screw after combining the different panels. The frame without a screw can be bent into a desired shape. For the panels with a thickness of 10 mm, it is not necessary to use a silicone strip. Fix the top and bottom frame with a mallet. After that, attach the vertical profiles to the panel in the same way. The wheels set for the symmetrical fusion and H profiles includes 2 top rollers, 2 bottom rollers, 4 assembly screws, 2 adjusting screws for bottom rollers. The wheels set for the asymmetrical C, flat, and O profiles includes 2 top rollers, 2 bottom rollers, 4 assembly screws, 2 adjusting screws for bottom rollers. This shows the installation of the top roller for asymmetrical profiles. This shows the installation of the top roller for symmetrical profiles. Fix the screws to the bottom frame. In the end, install the bottom rollers. Moreover, do not forget about ARISTO soft closers. For an assembly instruction, see the relevant video.